The big story was this gray cat. We named him Floyd, Pretty Boy Floyd. He was outside of the dumpsters and we noticed his leg was just hanging off, his back leg. They had to amputate his leg all the way to the hip, so he doesn't have a back leg now. And of course, we kept him.
Come here, bub. Yeah, come a long ways, ain't it, bub?
I realized when we was rescuing Floyd, we got to start helping. We got to do something about this. We just started feeding the cats and the dogs and watching and seeing where they were at, and kind of got on Facebook and saying, you know, we need help. You know, we're not wealthy people. Money was coming out of our pockets to feed these animals. I get emotional when they're hurting or you can't fix it. I can look in that dog's eyes and he's asking for help, or a cat. And it's like, all right, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna be your mama. Because as soon as we find one that, you know, needs help, I'm like digging through my medicine cabinet and trying to find whatever I can to help that animal.